We're ready. Yep, ready. Practice your turn. Show us how well you can turn. Good job. Straighten out a little bit because it's getting kind of flat. Get some speed. Ready, push. Alright, you can do it. There you go. Alright. Do some turns. Good. Good. And a stop. Woo! You want to keep going? You want me to keep filming, or are you all done? I know. It's very cool. Alright, let's keep going. Okay, do some turns. Good. So this is Aiden at a couple hours after we started. His first day skiing. He's doing so well. Good job, Aiden. Wow. Pretty cool. There he goes. Not too fast. Use your pizza. There you go. Good job. Good. Keep going. We're almost at the bottom. You want a little push? No. Okay. Yeah. Yes? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Push. Very cool. And here we are at the bottom of the hill. That's where he came from, all the way up there. Good job, Aiden. Now we're going to catch our chairlift. And we're going to go up again.